Okay, in today's topic is advanced metering infrastructure, and in which we have to need what is the concept of advanced metering infrastructure, that is called as AMI. That is, advanced metering infrastructure is a system, is an integrated system of the smart meter, and which is useful for to communicate network from one communication central point to another communication central point with the help of utilities and customer. And this whole concept is called as advanced metering infrastructure. Okay, then in which we have to need concept of advanced metering infrastructure, then also in which we have to require building blocks required for advanced metering infrastructure, then challenges, then benefits of advanced metering infrastructure, and cost associated with AMI, and last point is conclusion. Why require advanced metering infrastructure in smart grid. Okay, then also in which we have to require components, that is key components required for advanced metering infrastructure, that is require smart meter, then data contractor, or it is called as data collector, then also require network technology, that is wide area network, then also require meter data central system, that is also require MDC system, then also require management system required for advanced metering infrastructure, that is meter data management system. Then also advanced metering infrastructure, it is also called as AMI, electric meter. Then what is the meaning of AMI, electric meter? That means in which we have to measure, collect and analyze energy uses and communicate with electric meter. Then this concept is called as advanced metering electric meter. Okay, then also in which we have to useful for customer power consumption. That means the main advantage of the advanced metering infrastructure, which is record customer power consumption with hourly with the help of communication network point, that is called as central collection point. And this is overview of the advanced metering infrastructure. Also in advanced metering infrastructure, in which occur two-way communication, that means in which we have to require sending end network and receiving end network with the help of transfer energy from sending end network to receiving end network. Also in which we have to use two-way communication, and this is the backbone of the smart grid. That means whole system of the smart grid is totally depends on advanced metering infrastructure, and also this technique depends on smart meter. Now this is the whole concept of advanced metering infrastructure. Also in which we have to require frequency for two-way communication, and this frequency measured in advanced metering infrastructure is gigahertz. Then in which we have to require 2.4 gigahertz frequency required for two-way communication, that is called as wireless network technology. Also in which require maximum power for advanced metering infrastructure is less than 1 watt. Also in which we have to require wireless network technology like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Zigbee. These are the important wireless technology used in advanced metering infrastructure. And now this is the overview of the advanced metering infrastructure with the help of communication network. Then also in which this advanced metering infrastructure is called as energy meter. Okay, now this energy meter used in India for billing purpose. It is also called as electromechanical meter, also called as digital energy meter. But the main function of this meter, it consume more time, also require more labor. But also in which we have to require electromechanical energy meter, and it is traditional billing system because it give poor performance, that is inaccurate data, slow working, then it require cost, then less flexibility and reliability. That means the AMI, that is advanced metering infrastructure, is advanced meter as compared to the electromechanical meter and digital energy meter. Then advanced metering infrastructure, it gives accurate electricity billing. Also this smart meter gives real power consumption with the help of accurate billing. Now this is the advantages of the advanced metering infrastructure with compared to other energy meter like electromechanical energy meter and digital energy meter. Okay. Then this is the concept of advanced metering infrastructure, and this is the, for example, we have considered home, and in which we have to use smart meter, and this smart meter communicate with the help of network technology, that is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and this signal, this is the sending end signal, and this is the receiving end signal. That means utility office, that is, for example, we have considered utility office send signal to the smart meter, then smart meter reading the units or reading the power consumption, and this power consumption sent to the utility office with the help of network technology, that is LAN, WAN, or also use Wi-Fi network, and this whole system is called as advanced metering infrastructure, that is called as AMI. Okay. Also in which we have to require okay, now this is the infrastructure of the advanced metering infrastructure with the help of wireless system. This is the customer, this is the wireless network topology, and this is connected to the measuring data management, that is for called as utility office, and this is a remote access, that is remote terminal unit useful for data management system, and in which we have to use advanced meter in customer service. For example, these are the applications of advanced metering infrastructure, and these are connected with the help of Wi-Fi system, also called as wire solution, also connected Wi-Fi solution, and contact to each other and sending and receiving end data to customer to office. Okay, now this is the concept of advanced metering infrastructure. Then also in advanced metering infrastructure is totally depends on hardware and software component, and in which we have to measure energy consumption and energy transmitted from customer to office with the help of advanced metering infrastructure to connected with the help of network topology like LAN, WAN, then Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Also in which we have to require components for installation of advanced metering infrastructure. Then first require smart meter, then wide area communication network, that is two-way communication network is very important in at the time of installation of advanced metering infrastructure. Then also require LAN, that is local area network, or it is also called as home area network. Then MDMS, that is meter data management system is very important. Then operational gateway is very important. These are the 5 technological components is very useful to at the time of installation of advanced metering infrastructure. Then this is the smart meter. This smart meter using advanced metering infrastructure, and the main function of smart meter is to collect information of the energy, water and gas uses, and this data transmitted with the help of communication network to the utility office, and also in which we have to occur consumer to utility office, that is two-way communication occur between sending end station to receiving end station. Now this is the whole concept of smart meter. Then this is the communication infrastructure, and in which we have to require network topology. Now this is the utility, that is office, and then this is the consumer. Okay, now in which we have to require broadband network, that is BPL, then fiber optic network, that is LAN, WAN, and wireless network, that is Zigbee, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and these are connected with the help of field meter, that is field area network, and this field area network is connected to the smart meter with the help of power line, and this whole system can be connected to the wireless network. Okay, then wireless network connected to the smart meter, that is Zigbee, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Then also connected to the distribution substation, that is transmission line to distribution, and connected to the smart meter, and this is the communication infrastructure using utility to customer. Okay, now this is the whole concept of communication infrastructure using consumer to utility office or utility company, that is in which we have to work based on wide area network and fiber optic network and wireless network, and this is the two-way communication from utility company and consumer. Now this is the concept of communication infrastructure. Then also in which we have to use home area network, and this home area network connected with the help of wireless network, also use line network, that is LAN and WAN, and also all applications are connected with the help of, for example, this is energy meter, that is smart energy meter is connected to the smart appliances connected with the help of Bluetooth devices. Okay, now this is the smart grid home area network, and also in which we have to use internet, that is Wi-Fi, etc. Also use power line communication, also use Wi-Fi. Okay, now this is the smart grid concept using home area network, and this whole concept is depends on AMI, that is advanced metering infrastructure, and this is the smart grid home area network. Also in which we have to require management system, that is meter data management system, and in which we have to require all concept. For example, we have to need system planning, then distribution operation, then time scheduling, time settlement, then outage management, then marketing and rates. Protection is required for advanced metering infrastructure, that is smart meter, and also require credit and collection. These are the meter data management system. Okay, and in which we have to require analytical tool to collect information from customer and send information with the help of communication network to the utility office, and this whole system is called as meter data management system, that is called as MDMS. Okay, then in which we have to require operational gateways, that is require operations for generation, transmission, distribution and management. Then in which the operational gateway interface with, first one is distribution operation, that is ADO, then transmission operation, that is ATO, and last one is the advanced access management. These are the three important operational gateway using at the time of interfacing of advanced metering infrastructure to the support system, that is utility office. Now this is the whole concept of operational gateway, is interface with utility and customer. Also in which we have to require cost associated with EMI. That means require cost for advanced metering infrastructure. That means smart devices user point, that means application, smart application using, for example, we have consider home, one single home, then in which we have to require smart devices, for example smart TV, then Wi-Fi network, also solar cell, that is solar batteries, then also require ceiling fans. These are the Bluetooth operating devices. Also require smart devices user point. Also require installation of the smart meter in your home. Also require communication network, that is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee. These are the important communication network required for home. Also require data collection, analysis, storage and system management is very important sources it require at the time of installation of advanced metering infrastructure. That means require total cost at the time of installation of advanced metering infrastructure, that is smart meter. Then also require, this is the ratio of the smart meter installation with majority of cost, and it convert percentage. That means, for example, meter 15% cost required for meter, then 10% cost required for communication, then 20% cost required for installation, then 5% cost required for program management, then 40% cost required for meter with modem, then communication is required 10%, then system integration require 15% cost, and information technology, that is IT sector, that is collection of data, that is 10%. This is the whole system of the smart meter at the time of installation. That is, this is the total cost converted into 6 parameter. It is total cost converted into 6 parameter, and these 6 parameter are shown in. Now this is the cost calculation of the 6 parameter. Then advantages of advanced metering infrastructure. That means first one is anti-theft. That means robbery is always decline. Then two-way communication. Then real-time price. Then automatic billing. Then improve billing concept and also require custom support. Then improve outage management for meters. Then final point is conclusion. Why use advanced metering infrastructure? Because it require two-way communication and easy to operate and easy to control relationship between customer and utility office with the help of high power quality and stability. Also, advanced metering infrastructure is reliable system for communication and data analysis. Also, this advanced metering infrastructure is better than smart energy meter. Then also it gives a better utilization for customer as well as utility office. Now this is the whole concept of advanced metering infrastructure. That means advanced metering infrastructure is better than energy meter with the help of smart meter. Now this is the whole concept of advanced metering infrastructure.